Oh my gosh, this is so roomy. This is amazing. If you want to ruin yourself, check this one out. So here we are at the Miami International Boat Show. We went in February, and I'm here giving you boat tours of the spectacular boats we saw. This boat I'm going to show you is the Jeanneau Yachts 55. It is a 55-foot boat with a 16-foot beam and an 8-foot draft. Like the Sun Odyssey 410 in the previous video, it features a walk-around deck. But this boat feels like a catamaran. This is so wide, it feels like a catamaran in here.
It's the, yeah, I mean, that's really the idea. It's like putting like the space of a catamaran, but like a monohull.
Right. Oh, it's completely different. All right, looking at the helm position here. This is so insane, guys. This is a monohull, and it feels like a catamaran. Right out the cockpit is access to 2 guest cabins, each with its own head. Oh my word. If only. This is amazing.
You see when you get under here, it's completely out of the weather. You don't,
Yeah.
You really don't need an enclosure unless it's just super cold.
Even if it was cold, you're in here, you're fine.
Both of these cabins are they're just totally set off on their own. They have air conditioning heads in them.
So is it 3 and 3? 3 cabins, 3 heads?
This one is 1, 2, 3 cabins. You've got 3 cabins and 3 heads. Yes.
Okay.
Below deck is what I would consider just a full-on owner's stateroom.
Yeah.
Guys, this is unreal. I've honestly never seen anything like it. Oh. The guy said, if you want to ruin yourself, check this one out. Well, that was the right way to put it. Oh my gosh, this is so roomy.
Plenty of seating up here to get out of the way. It's nice to have a nav station right here.
Yeah.
So you can.
Well, guys, this is the most amazing boat I've ever seen or been on, which admittedly is not a lot, but still. So I'll point out the hard top here. One of the features among the many awesome features is that it has a hard top. So, and again, I'm walking down the wraparound, whatever they're called, and this boat lets you walk through the stays freely. They're not in the way. So
It's enough for a regular size day. Yeah.
back in Iowa. This boat was the most fantastic thing I've ever seen. I would take that living space on land, let alone on the water. It was so easy to imagine ourselves on that. Realistically, maybe kind of out of reach, but you know, it's fun to dream. Thanks for coming along, you guys. There's more to come.